Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection box break number 84.
Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton.
Serial number of the box is NE189529212. So let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Let's pull something nice out of this pack. Here we go. So there's a patch. Start with the base for the Bruins of Phil Esposito, 267 into 399. We have autographed Ultimate Rookies for the Jets of Carl Klingberg, 264 to 299. And we have an Ultimate Signatures card for the Canadiens of Guy Carbonneau. And then to finish it off, we have a nice looking hit card here. An Ultimate Debut Threads patch for the Flyers of Matt Reed, 10 out of 100. Nice looking 3-color patch. Ultimate Debut Threads patch of Matt Reed for the Flyers, 18 out of 100 to finish it off. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.